Hello guys, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download the Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. First, open Play Store. Now, if we type Hamster Kombat at the search bar at the top, then tap on Search, the applications shown here are not the official ones. So what we can do is type Telegram at the search bar and download this app if you haven't. After downloading the app, sign in or log in as instructed. Then tap on the search icon at the top right. Then search for Hamster Kombat. Tap on the Hamster Kombat announcement with the blue tick at right side. Make sure to join the group. If you don't know how to join, then do check out our video on that topic. Now scroll up to previous messages and tap on play. And now you've successfully downloaded the Hamster Kombat. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.